My people, we don carry another ogbogelicious matter come again. This one na from Jama First Lady, where she message to Enogie and Mama Nora. My people, wetin dis woman talk e really make sense. She say Enogie fit beat im wife for social media for live video. What about if two of dem come dey inside house, wetin come dey happen? And really, make we sit down reason dis matter wey dis woman talk. If Enogie really fit beat his wife for social media for live video wey be say more than 500 viewers dey there dey watch Enogie, e fit beat dat woman for there. What about if dem no dey on live video? Wetin Enogie go dey do dat woman?
Because
Fellow
I dey
women,
make
make
this
una
video for
sit down
these
reason
two
dis
people.
matter. I know say Mama Nora dey
Nothing
talk well
don
well,
ever
but
concern
dis
me
one
and
make we
these
reason
people
the
for this
matter
app
well
one
well.
day.
My people no fail to
No
like
way.
and share dis video. Drop
I
your
never
opinion on our
insult
comment
them
section below.
with
God bless you
indirect
all.
or direct. No way. No way. No be even for dream. Okay? So why I also want to talk about them? Because now my marriage, now the man tried to break the other time. I make video. The video come dey go viral. So he come carry the video come say I talk like this, I talk like that, come begin dey insult me, rain curse on me, on my husband. Talk say our marriage na this, na so our marriage go crash, na so this one go happen. But me sitting here now see say you don crash and you never reach anything. My own 12 years now we wan celebrate, so with 4 children where last born go soon celebrate 8 years. You get? So I can't say make una share this video. I'm not still gonna talk based on hate, based on they fight my marriage. No, I no go talk because they fight my marriage. These two people put hands together. They ready. They say they want break my marriage. Marriage when me don't spend that many years when we build. But now they just married some weeks ago. They never build that reach anywhere. Marriage don't collapse. You see, share this video. I not come yet oh. I know they fight oh. Because now then they use now Enogie saying they use saga eat. A baby mama say now they take they eat, but no be me take they eat. If you now look my page, just take a good look. No be viewer they find, which my uploaded video even do well past live video. But I just need to make this video. Based on I also they live for Germany here. I also seek Aduro for Germany here. Me and my family. Now Aduro will seek for this country. So I think people need to let these people know the truth about themselves that they don't know. No need of beating around the bush. In as much, this man have always called out my husband and me. Matter when it happen, family matter, you don't know how it happen. You not call me or may you make video, make it be say I not call reply. Maybe in a way you give me a constant talker like that. No. This boy, this Enogie continue to they call out my husband when you don't even know if somebody like Enogie did this app. Go they insult him. Because when you go they insult my husband will not get to look. Now we take get to know him. Him take get to know about me. Yes, me, I'm always on media. Okay. So now, may una invite Enogie. Invite this lady also. Okay? Make we comot the fight when they fight with us. Comot the saga when they drag me and my husband for where we for sit down. Now how we they do, but don't be say we they fear saga. Nobody saga don't buy and saga not they buy anybody. So this one when they happen around between them, I suffer they watch, I they look. This one on my own. Me no know who dey Germany. When you go fit get documents without you no go to school, you know they speak language. Germany is a selfish country where be say they want you to speak their language. And how you go tell me say make I respect a man who children they grow under roof with but cannot speak language? As many of una know, me and my husband and children, we come from Italy also. We come here come see Kazi. My husband put out upon himself, because in Italy we not they speak Dutch, to take every opportunity when social they bring. That was then. They go call her 3 months school, you go. 2 months school, you go. They collect the results small. And by doing that, you are learning the language alongside with the school when you they go. That was how my husband will be able to understand the language, learn the language. When we get somewhere, husband, a father of the house should be able to stand in everything. How can you tell me now, here say no get baby mama, they say the person still they read letter for them, but you have a man. What use is Enogie if you cannot read a letter? So who they read for your children? If school call, who they receive phone call? Me, I can't talk because I don't speak the language, but my husband do. You understand? This boy not go school to go learn language. Go school, they do put effort to do things. Make sure say you they integrate. Even though say when the woman not do anything, it doesn't really matter. We not count like that. The men now he can't, because any small thing at the man that they find, one make or talk. Any small thing at the man that they find, but you not get sit down inside house. School you no go. Language you know they speak. Now you go see a father of 4. You go see they ask them that they speak English, and German don't like that. So una tell me say everything like that is okay. A man when he feel vex beat woman for live video, nobody is talking about that. On live video, this guy actually, for where children dey, if that can happen on live video, can you please tell me what is happening inside the house? Una go fit talk am. Why me they talk now? Now because now their marriage now they grant. So because now my marriage they grant that they when no get patch in. Una they hear me so? Germany here, they go give you paper, they not go give you paper. Did you know how to speak language? Can you communicate? Can you? Which certificate do you have? You don't go school for this their country, language school, naming school, Germany, they call you, can't do this one, can't do that. You they do all this small course. They keep all the what's it called? The certificate. You they keep them. Mona, help me share this video, my people. Help me share the video. So Enogie, you know they go, you they look for document, right? You want document, but you know they go school, you know even they speak language. You can't even go to that place to ask how far is your document. You can't ask, you can't interrupt, you know if you talk with the language. Is that nice? It's not nice. It's not good. You can't, you know if you get paper. For this country, make una come, make we talk this matter. For this country where we dey, we chop aduro, and they deny us as asylum when we seek for this country. They deny me, they deny my husband. All of us. In fact, now both of us. They deny us. At that time, my husband, they go. Now, no say na loneliness, say, only me one day has now come to they find what I want to do that time. You understand? My husband, opportunity go come like this. Oh, this course. Michael, do you know they have this course like this? It's just 3 months. I want you to attend. Okay, even when my husband go say tired, I go only go collect and come. 3 months now I go complete. You go put the result for pocket. Don't be say use and work. But at least that 3 months when they come off early morning, they go that place. So now language they learn. This one my husband will not sabi even speak Italy when he for come. But he reach Germany. He pick her up. If me and her they stay inside house money tonight, he not go learn language. Me self no kukuma sabi. This man he go every small opportunity you go they pick him. Learn language. Let them know when they are talking, you should be able to interact with them. Speak their language. Germans love it. Me when they here, if I they talk sometimes, sometimes they go ask how many years I don't spend. When I go talk, they'll tell me say they not speak English. Me until I'll go call my husband come. They'll often ask me how many years you don't dey here. I'll tell them. When I'll talk, they'll say they not hear English. Because they're diverse. They want me to talk with their language because I don't take. You get? So imagine a man, a husband and a wife. This man is not doing anything to push up a document, for a document to come out. Everything that they say na the woman. How can the woman give this man document? It's not going to work. You need to put effort. You need to show to them that when you have document, you will do more for your family. So go to school, learn language, go to work. Any small job that they bring, do one. For you to be able to open your brain to this language, you can talk. All these things will help you in pushing your documents. Okay? When it dey here, my people, yes, make I dey use myself, make example. We seek asylum for this country. They bring big fight come for us. They deny us asylum for this country. Then we need to take lawyer to go court, because you go carry the matter go court. If judge can't say no, now they don't finish. At that time, my husband get one course wey they do. That course na jama put and na they pay, because when you dey as na government they pay everything for you. They pay almost 15,000 euros. Now they pay. I don't fit talk this thing several times. 15,000 euros na jama government take. Now they pay for my husband to attend that school. And that time, this time, they already don't tell us no. We cannot stay this country. That is, they not grant us. We are without document, all of us. So my husband take that school. He can't they go when they pay put, because they say people still give us information. So if you go that school, it might help and all that and all that. He can't they go. The day when we get case for courts, when judge want to decide if we go fit stay for Germany, that early morning, my husband get exam for that school where they for pay 15,000 euro for her. We try to call. They can't, because only my husband suspend the whole student. Like how? You know, work. Say me they postpone her. They not postpone. Court, they don't already fix dates. Now already carry children. We pay lawyer 600 euro to appear with me, because now let me now. My husband will come meet us. So my husband have to go and write exam in the same muster one for they go court. So he can't go write exam. We program the time. So maybe before you go reach my time, because if you reach court, then they call people enter inside turn by turn. He can say before you go reach our turn, you go don't write exam, finish, come join us. Me, that night before we go court, I don't repeat wetin I want talk for court, because when you chop a duro and you dey go court go need to ask you all the things when you talk. Make they tell no if na lie you lie or na true. Me and my husband study on the night. Despite say he still study for exam, we go still go tomorrow too. I reach court with lawyer. We sit down outside, never reach our turn. It reach my turn, they call me. I don't fit talk this story before. I enter. Where the man, you know, they before you go know, judge don't dey vex. Judge don't carry face, because you who born you to disappoint judge, or judge give you appointment, you say now that day you can't get another thing. But God was so kind. Before don't measure mean translator when one they help me translate, because I know they speak language. Before the woman go start, lawyer go start. My husband open court room, he don't enter. I want to tell you what school can do for you. What language can do for you. Go and improve Enogie. Go to school. Even not for anything, for language, to be able to interrupt. It might help you. Not it might help you. It will help you. My husband opened door. Before they start to, they ask me question, why do I want to stay in Germany? I need to repeat all my asylum when I eat. I need to repeat. I don't crack everything for brain overnight. My husband opened courtroom. He enter inside. As he enter, we all of us looking like this. He don't enter. The judge was angry. But the judge called the third domesha, which is a translator when near me, say, wetin make this man late? He don't know, say, appointment of 3 months. How come he late to this courtroom? Now my husband, for domesha to they translate, my husband start talking direct to the judge. My husband called the third judge. He can't they explain to judge, say, see so he go do exam this morning. See what be the name of the course we go do. They don't already fix the appointment. He no go fee draw. So now he wrong go do. Can't they talk to the judge? Now the judge say make he bring her. Don't mention not explain again. No. My husband was not talking with the judge, speaking their language. Then the judge tell my husband to bring the file where they bring come from school. Now so my husband go, because the judge far from us. We dey here now speak at the day they talk. My husband waka go front, go give judge the file where they bring come from school. Judge can't they open her. He can't they open her like this. He can't say Sean, a dodge. But he can't they open her. The man was smiling. Open her, can't they open her. They can't they talk. Then now my husband they front from me, lawyer, and the translator and children we dey here. My husband and judge they far from that side. The hall is very big. Now they hear me, so what school can do for you and what school do for us? Now me they tell una so. Now so judge never ask us questions. Suppose ask us before you go no. Now so judge they open. I can't they talk to my husband. I can't they answer. I'll speak at day front like this. Before you know, now so judge take grant my husband document 3 years. So me not get to explain anything again. My husband no explain, none of us explain. Before you know, as he don't do and finish, he pack my husband school paper when he break or he give her. Then my husband waka come meet us. George, they tell me, say, me, they happy. Ah, now me, I call, they say, let me call the now George tell me, I say, George, a lawyer when near me call tell me, say, the judge don't grant paper for my husband. And me, I call that, let me call tell her, the man say, what about me? He say, no, they not give me, but me, I no worry. Do you understand? So now, so the thing they do, before you know, they say, more come up for his side hole. I say, ah. They not come ask question again. Say, no. Just say me, the lawyer say me, they happy. They don't give my husband paper. Do you see what school can do for you? Now, so they take give my husband that paper. The judge say the letter will come our house. Now we come out for inside court finish. The domestic woman, wakayo, it remain me and a lawyer. Now they tell lawyer say, they not give me and my children document. Only my husband they give. He say yes, he give my husband document, but he go apply for me and the children, but the children first. Me, I no worry. The most important thing, me, I dey happy say they give my husband paper. Are you hearing me? So I believe that is not the law. That man did what he did because he see the effort of my husband. I think so. I don't know, because that's what just happened. You understand? My husband did not allow Domesha translator to translate. My husband was speaking with the judge, their language. So I think they just see somebody who really want to learn. Now, so they take grant and paper. So as we come out, and all the paper come, we go give lawyer. Now, so lawyer first apply for our children. Paper come, they say 3 years, they give all the children. Me, now I get paper last for this house. Lawyer can go apply with our marriage certificate. We marry court marriage. My lawyer apply for me with our court marriage certificate. User apply through my husband. They also give me this 3 years. Now, so we take get paper for this country. Are you seeing that? So Enogie is supposed to be doing something. You are supposed to show that you are the man of the house. Go to school and learn the language. You can't sit inside and you think document will come and meet you. It's not done. It's not. Which effort you they put? Which effort? And not only that, you beat the woman for live video. Is it not your right to clean the house? Children small. You no fit clean house. You no fit. You fit still go school, come back and clean. Go and do hospital that can keep you in this country. Hospital, all these things, they are good for you. But you know they do, and they work for Facebook. Very good. You they receive money for Facebook. But you need that school. You need them. That certificate, you need them. Many of these things, my husband is not using there today. But it's there. At least he help us. Imagine say they become ask us question, maybe along the line I go forget so many things, maybe they for not congrat us. But you see how he will be able to block all this whole stress for me to interpret why I leave Italy, why I want Jama to give me paper. Why I didn't say all that anymore. You see, huh? So my brother, don't deceive yourself. In this country, go to school. You need it. As a father, when school call, you should be able to talk to them or phone. Your number now go they follow everywhere. Now papa they go they call. They already know say mama not they speak language. Papa they go they call. Very, very important in this country. I just tell you now how school save us here. How the effort my husband put. It save us for this country. But you know they do anything. How can the woman is not working? I go give you paper. As he get paper, she get paper, the children get. You now need to go to school. Do what's be done. Before you go know, they'll put 1 or 2 together. Now you go take apply. Now you will not be applying for family. Like you need your paper to be able to take full responsibility of your family. That's what you will be asking for. That's what lawyer is going to ask for. As the man, you can speak Dutch. You have this certificate. You have this certificate. You can speak good. So now your lawyer can apply that you want to take the full responsibility of your family. Then they will not look into your case. But nothing like that you have, my brother. And you are waiting to have document in this country? How? Where? Okay, so you say you born. Because now you born the children, you give paper. How? You know they work like that. E no dey work like that. And number two, you need to be a man, my brother. You need to be a man. Your children small. Don't tell me I don't know what I'm saying, because my children, one year, they also take senior. My hearing don't fall. One year, now they also take, my children may take, all of them be like triplets. No brother, no sister, no mother, no father. Only me and my husband. We got to sit down, talk, put this together, be able to coordinate the children and coordinate our relationship. We can make am be waiting be today one they call juju. You understand? It's hard. It's not easy. It's not easy to raise small children when senior each other with one year. Everywhere go make bear. Now 4 children we also get. It was not an easy one. But we work together. My husband know they abandon me and children for us. They follow club, they go, they do MC. MC of 50 euro where they want give you. They'll give 50 euro, can't do MC. Is it adding value? It's not. You know they add value to you, my brother. All you need is school. Let nobody tell you nothing. Go to school, pick it. Go, you get opportunity now. Me now, I want go school now. Be eyes. My husband have to pay for me now. But before, when I get the opportunity, I not go. Anything that they will tell him, you have to pay, because you are on your own now. Now, when you never get paper, you do on that day. You have opportunity to go to any school. Even this school of 15,000, I don't know if they still do it. Ask the name of the school. Go meet your social. They say you want to go. Imagine German government pay 15,000 for your head. They go deport you, or they go see they stress you with paper. When time comes, they will give you your paper. But now your paper is not even in Sikodoni. Your paper is not even in process. It just did their stock. And you are not doing anything to wake it up. You think having children will make the document to come? No. That one are for the document own. If you need paper, they do your Facebook. You can still do your Facebook, do your social media work 100% and still be going to school. Who not get paper for Deutschland, they get driving license Enogie. You don't have document, but you can have a driving license. That now only the country when I see say if you not get document, you fit get driving license. Why can't you go and get that first? If you are ready to be a family man, start from there. These kids, they see motor 600 euro, 1,000 euro, 1,2. At least start. If you are ready to really, you are doing these family things from your heart, then you need to build. You are not building, my brother. You are just waiting. Or you are focused on my document. No. You got to build. For woman to also stand with you 100% to the fight you need to see your effort in building the home.
I don't get this your topic.
No.
This is not the best way you don't insult me.
It don't insult us, I know. I know, say I oh mommy. If I want curse, I feel curse in another way. No worry. No, I just need to talk.
Mujane. I'll tell you, you don't need this advice. You should go and work his ass out. You don't need
okay, so I know. You understand me? No, not be say if I want curse. If I want curse, I feel on video curse because it might me anywhere work silima ladian do agree magmina. But just reality, let me take that quarter away and just say reality. Hey, you know, Romo, you're like, let me just say that. Forget the quarrel. You understand? You know they do anything to say maybe you they build the family right now. You they put effort. I mean, wait every time. Don't really. You think about it. Small children they has weekend like this. Okay, make we say weekend one I go day do everything together. You know the day house. We are seeing it now. Who will take that? Going from party to party and you're also a drunkard. You drink too much. A family man don't do that. Family man should be able to do things with his mind, right senses, not with mind of alcohol. One young boy, my brother, you will be on live video. Another bottle. Starting me. Pamiwo. My brother, don't do that. Don't do it. If you really, I see and say that on a marriage. Now you know what build. You are not a husband material. I am telling you. If you want to build a home, you will build with that woman there. Weekend like this, I never really see you. going somewhere with your, apart from you take them, go one place, go buy potato, and we just come outside. You have little time for these children. And this is the time they need you. That's why they use our hit chair say, I feel use my life for my husband. I can put my life for granted. I swear. Because I see now. When the children be like that, not let the woman feel guilty. Not let her feel why I bought this one, why I do this one, or put a back for the children. Share, always share with her. You people should have plan. You people should have in a home where there is no plan between father and mother. It always come like this. You need to have a plan. Even Igbo people have a plan, has plan in their house. But your own is not like that. From one party to another. Weekend where you will be with your children, having the best fun, doing things with them, nothing. You don't do these things. And the woman, you want the woman to be happy, to be loving you, kissing you. No. Women love to kiss man who give them inner joy. Because inside you, you can, that's the only way you can express it outside. The joy when you feel inside having them. Having somebody like that. Enogie, you need to work. Even if you pack, you still go. No two ways about it. You must go to the roots. What is the roots? Go to school. Learn this language by force, by fire. You should be able to stand. What make you a father? Oh no, what make you the head of the Okbia no matter what, Okbia. How can you be Okbia in the house when you can't even speak language? How can you be a man of the house when your wife still take letter to someone else to read? And there is a man in the house? My brother, come on now. Don't do that. You know, nice, oh. You know, good. I will tell you the truth. Despite how many times you drag us out and fight us, and you even wish my marriage to destroy. No worry. But the truth I will tell you. Okay? That woman needs a husband. He needs somebody who social media no go they trigger. You just dey all about fans, my dear. Now home when you build when they sweet, fans go come they help you enjoy and they help you say, oh, lovely family. But when inside is not okay, what is lovely there? Waiting be that. Because you dey inside there, you dey feel say women they love you. First go stay with them first. Follow them first. It's good to love somebody from afar. Live with the person first. All of us, they tell the woman now, say, fine, I not support her coming out of social media to cry. But in the other way around, I think about it. I think people around you, whenever she cried to them, they fail to tell you the truth. And she's fed up. That's why she cried out, which I'm not in support though. That's why she cried out. All of them were around you. Hey, daddy, hey, mommy, hey, the papa and mama. She have explained to them. They know what the matter is. But they fail to tell you the truth. And she want the words to hear. She want more people to know. And that's why she cried out. And you are blaming her? And you also beat her for live video? Who does that? Beat woman when need that born 4 children for you. That means you never ready to be husband. You are just a guy. Go and enjoy yourself. If time reach when you want to be husband, go and get married. For now, you never ready. Forget all these people. This are thinking maybe. No, forget it. Go and be a man. Very soon, just now, your daughter go, they come from school. If you don't start primary 1, they go put letter for her for inside school bag. Every day when your picking come from school, you need to open a bag. That is how the school and you be able to communicate. Bring out the letter, read it. If there is something they want you to fill on a 10 euro, they say make it bring tomorrow. You should be able to read it, do all these things, arrange it. But you are not ready for all that. Thank you. This is really offending. No. Okay. No problem. I just want to tell them the truth. Not them. Mostly the man. Mostly the Enogie for inside. The Enogie is not doing well at all. You know they do well. At all. You can do social media, do your saga, do anything. But make sure your family first. Now beneath the user make parable say, oh, why mama ekbo. You see that your wife, that woman, and those children, they are all you got. And you got to protect them. Do everything. but you are still acting like a boy. Go party, hey, we there here, oh, you go see this and you just sleep, go. How do you want the woman? This woman don't pilot, the thing don't many. She can't explode, boom, which is not supposed to be. So, if both of you have communication, it's not supposed to burst once like this. She fed up. People looking at her now like bad person for speaking. Did you know that what she haven't said yet is more than what you people are hearing now? Look at them, listen to them. Wait till she never talk. He passed the one that they see now. He beat again, he did this, he passed. But she never talk her. You don't know? Who want to away good man? You carry now. Who want to away good man? Who want to, as me being, I want to away my husband. Who want to away good man? Who want to away man that is a father 100%? Who want to away? Who want to away husband, real husband? Who want to lose that kind of a man? Who? Not be man when nothing. Okay, imagine if they control you. If they control you, they make you do this one. They let you do this one. When woman go try to tell you go to school, you go say they control you. That time when my husband they go school, or maybe they go if they go what I don't know. Okay, now school for here. When they go, they come bring another offer come for and say another one day. I come see and say evening, a morning evening. My husband say don't tire. I quarrel. Who no go quarrel? Because I be not even know say this one go help us to stay. But then I know they agree. Me, the love no go sweet. Don't want kiss you. You must go. My husband go come out for money. If they go, he go pack children, go school. He go drop them. Then if they come for evening, he go the work. He was really working. Effort. Put effort. Work. Before you know, language go. You go they speak language. So you go take authority of your home. You got to take it. That woman don't need to take the authority. You need to take it. But at this time, you almost good for nothing. Almost you have no use. You did they be like they. So the woman not see any reason to even respect you or make you the head. You see if she's a single mother because she do everything alone. She talk and say letter go come. She need to go give you the read letter for her when you are there. Then what are you not good for? You can do social media and make money, but you need the language. You need this country. You need a document. Did you know that if you know how to speak language, you can walk to that place where the Ostano that they call and be? You can walk there and ask questions. Sit with them and ask them. My document. They will enter computer. They will tell you what your problem is, and they will tell you no like this, like this. You should ask question. You can only ask when you can speak. But in this point, you cannot. They'll just call you one day. You just they wait for miracle. You just sit down one day. They'll just call me. Hey, don't get paper. I may be video, my brother. I may be video. And the man say, no, I just papa je money beba. Rich. Do you know that there is you get where they reach sometimes? They go ask mama, your wife, how good you are to the children. I don't know if you never reach on at all. They ask how good. That was when we never even get paper. Now your wife go tell us, is a carry father, is this, is that. Your wife go they tell them, they go they right hand. They know they ask una for una side, I don't know. So the woman should be able to deliver you good. But nothing like that. A weekend when you go there with your children, they make them master you, they give them that love. When they say if you know they has, all of them go stand for the more they wait, that is not at home, that is not at home. When you go come like this, they go JJ you for grant. They love you, they kiss you, they do everything. You not feel create any relationship like that with them, according to the mother. You not create and you want the woman to be happy. A stranger go come in the house, your children, they go they read with your children, they play with your children for grant. And you want that woman to see it, not to say, oh my God, I wish that this man born the children. What do you mean? Truth is bitter. Make we talk her. Yeah, she go feel and say, oh, I wish their papa they do this one now. Then you go say they compare you with people. It not compare you, just tell you facts, truth. And you also not know, say, if you did good as a husband, you go win the heart of your wife. You don't know. Wait till single, all these men take they catch single mother. Wait till they take they catch single mother. They first go close to their children. When the single mother see how good this guy is to their children, they go for put. And you have a wife, you have children, you can't through your children win the heart 100% of your wife, then what now make you a man? Your own are to just drink, they wait for the documents. Before document come, you can't build. Jama give you opportunity to go to school and get your driving license. And you dey house there, you no fit go. Make they still see say una dey come appointment when you motor go we park children shall not come outside. Let them be seeing you where the gun of a father, of a man who is not who have settled down to take responsibility. It's not everything document. At least you can have a driving license in Deutschland without having documents. Thank God. Have you done that? Okay, if document just come now, you're going to do everything. No. Enogie, you need to reset your life. Plan your life. Any woman will go they look you, not go they talk to you, not love you, not need your betterment. But a woman that will sit you down and tell you your wrongs, loves you. Want things to get better for you. But you take it as control because you are not, you take her like control. Don't do that. All this your attitude, all this una quarrel. Now you, now you no good. I tell you, without no fear. Come out, curse me. You know for the curse us. We never talk to you, the curse us. Come out and insult me. Now you no position yourself well. How many times you know they has your wife go they call you, hello, Papa no come oh, Papa Nora come oh, I beg come read this thing, I beg I don't understand that, come oh. How many times? It not there. It not there. So what's in your days as there? You not go spend money oh. ₦1 you not go spend for school. Just go on a rat house. Just go tell them you want to do this one. They go they trick you for different. Before you go do this one, finish 3 months, 4 months, 3 months, 4 months. You don't this language when just they hard, so you don't get her. You don't they speak her. Your wife will be happy. That's at least that is a plus. You don't know. And number 2, you they beat and that's how you go outside. Come out when you want. She not go fit talk to you. And when you even see come, no. Many things there when you go build. Just go and build your life. Go and build. Even though say you go rent house, you go. That's the way you be, you go still be. Just build. Go build your life, my brother. Let nobody deceive you. If fine. And not get a man where everybody wants. You don't live with her for us. You don't live with her. You know a character. According to the news, a lot when they never tell now. When they would never even hear now. A lot. Who does that? You when they born small children, you don't know say you go stay there with the mama so that the thing not go weigh the woman down. You don't know say they weigh they never your children not they go toilet. When my children small, I go they attend to this one before I go reach the other one. Don't they chook out for inside toilet for the other side. They make gwege. But when you have a good husband, you will not feel it that much. You will still enjoy it. You go enjoy it because 2 people are taking care of it. Everybody, when I go they do and this one go they do small. How can you have little children of mama, you don't know how to type pampers, you don't know how to feed baby, you don't know how to bath baby? Why? Then what you can't they do? You just sit down, you're Enogie for outside. Inside has nothing. Or you are supposed to be something inside. Outside, people might look you anyhow, talk to you. It doesn't matter. But inside house, now it matter to you. Now there you supposed to work on. No, you now that's why so why nothing is working. Who does that? You are good in everybody's eyes. But to the woman you have at home, you are something to throw away. No. So now this one now I get to talk. Enogie. Now advice now I can advise you. If I want to curse you, I feel curse you next time. But for this one, I just want to advise you. Go mature. Document. Fine, they cannot deport you. But do something. Go and work hard. No, I mean, at this point, unless maybe, I don't know if they want to deport. I don't know, maybe with this they are quarrel, this they are police, this they are whatever, I don't know. I don't know. Like, at this point, I don't understand. To the extent the woman go, they call police, the woman is not happy. She's just fed up. She just wants you to go far away from her and her children. She not just wants you. The thing don't too, you fail to take correction before now. That's the truth. But you can still do something. Be a man. Forget these social media people. Oh, why this one call they tell you which that me get Enogie. All those one we know. I beg you. Tita leme. Enogie. Na me get carry. What is it? My mama, work on yourself. When marriage is easy, marriage is just how I feel. Every year married. Everybody for married now, they born now. Easy. The stress, do you know how I be? You and your wife. Okay, if your wife they call and say you they beat the children, which okay. But now two go suffer sit down, suffer talk about her. Tell us if they talk to these children, no talk put. But before you can be able to be treating those children like that, you will know that the love you are giving to them is more than 1 or 2 times when you they dash them. But in this case, according to the woman, no love at all. Nothing. Now every time if you do something 10 times, small pikin do something 10 times, you go flog her 10 times. Which kind of papa be that? You say no, you say no jeju egbe. You must say no jeju egbe. Okmak maniki. And it's not nice.
Emphasize on that police part. You know, in our house, some of the court police for this reason.
Okay, yes.
They deported people.
Yeah, for this my city, for the police issue. Yes, that police issue, anyway, the one already don't separate. But calling police.
It doesn't matter. Just they don't control you anyway.
Police every time. They use and deport one family for a year. Okay, which in her case she cannot be deported anyway. Yeah. But then that one at the man and the woman anyway they carry come out because it was too much. The police was too much. I came with be buy my light go they do now them again every time it was too much. So I not know what it can happen, but before you know they pack them out straight down. Okay, but that one now all of them not get paper anyways. But this one the children get, the woman gets. I think that cannot be her portion. But you need to go and work on yourself. Enogie, go school. Even though say you're not there with this woman again, just go and focus on your school. Be doing your live video so that you can be getting your money, but at the same time be going to school. That those party every weekend. I mean again, I am with my brother. All you need is to integrate first. All you need is to, when you go there okay for his house, your wife they smile. When you go enter house like this, everywhere they make kiss her because you build. That make you a man. They go there's a normal setting one no you could vanilla. Onama, you are good in outside. You make people see you good, nice. A carry father, a carry husband. Whereas, okay, no. So, but you can still work things. It's not too late. Social media just they help you. No happy. Forget about the happy. Social media got no help. I'm telling you, they not get any help to give you. It's just mockery. As you beat me now, you be want to destroy my marriage. Me, I'm sitting here now talking to you. You see. So that's all. Nobody really like, oh, I love her 200%. Forget it. They're not my agmokbega. It's like you don't know this. You drink too much. And because you drink, that's why they vex, they beat those children. They treat the woman the way they treat her. They follow party up and down. If she tell you, say, go school, she mean well for you. Go school. I just see money for Facebook. Then that one means say, go school. You they speak language. No. You know if you wakana go that place where they renew paper to say, what is holding my documents? Say it in Dutch. Can you? You cannot. Yeah, we're going to one mamwe. They will abandon you for one corner. You they back below for that. Saying that the children be your barrier and the woman be your barrier. Forget saga. The woman can give you the woman can give you documents. They have documents. But when you walk and put yourself in that position as a father, a man who want to collect them away from the government, that is when you will get documents. Now, common sense you need. I'm telling you. When you put yourself, I want command them. They take all of them now. They call them job center. Okay. But are you ready to pick them? Show to German like I want to take them away from there. I want to take the full responsibility of my family. They will be taking kindergarten, which is normal. So I want to take them away. So make they see all your credentials. Let them see how hard you have worked. This can easily push out your document that have been seized for years.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my busy people. My people,
because after all, they still happy you carry your own
about this video. Please like and
share
and drop your opinion on our comment section below. Tell us wetin Jama First Lady talk when